Hey everyone, despite not being as well known as some other smartphone brands, Ulefone has established a name for itself in the industry by concentrating on producing tough, long-lasting gadgets. An excellent illustration of this philosophy is the Ulefone Armor 26 Ultra, which is built to endure the most demanding circumstances, while still providing good performance and features. The Armor 26 Ultra's tough appearance is among the first things you notice about it. This phone is made to last, with an appearance that appears like it might withstand being in a combat zone. Its robust construction is enhanced by a loudspeaker on the back that can produce an amazing 121 decibels of sound, which makes it perfect for outdoor use in busy settings. In terms of photography, the Armor 26 Ultra doesn't disappoint. It boasts a 200-megapixel main camera, along with a 50-megapixel ultra-wide camera, a 64-megapixel infrared camera, and a telephoto camera with 3.2x optical zoom. Whether you're capturing landscapes or zooming in on distant subjects, this phone has you covered. The display is a 6.78-inch Full HD Plus IPS LCD panel with a 120Hz refresh rate, offering smooth visuals for gaming and multimedia consumption. While it may not be the absolute top-of-the-line display, it certainly gets the job done. Under the hood, the Armor 26 Ultra is powered by the Dimensity 8020, coupled with a generous 12 gigs of RAM and 512 gigs of expandable storage. This combination ensures smooth performance and ample space for all your apps and files. Security-wise, the phone offers both a side-mounted fingerprint scanner and facial recognition, using the front-facing camera, giving users options for convenient and secure unlocking. Where the Armor 26 Ultra truly shines is in its durability features. It holds IP68 or IP69K certification for water and dust resistance, making it suitable for outdoor adventures or harsh work environments. Additionally, it's MIL STD 810H certified, meaning it can withstand shocks, drops, and other physical impacts without skipping a beat. One of the standout features of the Armor 26 Ultra is its massive 15,600 mAh battery. This powerhouse of a battery supports 120-watt wired fast charging, 33-watt wireless charging, and even reverse charging, ensuring that you stay powered up no matter where you are. The Armor 26 Ultra is available from Ulefone as a walkie-talkie for customers who require even more capability. For improved walkie-talkie performance, this variation offers a dual-mode mobile radio system that supports both digital and analog modes. Additionally, users can select between UHF and VHF antennas. On May 13th, the Ulefone Armor 26 Ultra, which comes in walkie-talkie and conventional versions, will go on sale through AliExpress. Although the phone's precise price hasn't been revealed yet, Brian expects a high price due to its powerful and durable qualities. In conclusion, even if Ulefone may not be a well-known brand in the smartphone industry, the Armor 26 Ultra shows that it's a company worth taking into account for those who value dependability, functionality, and extended battery life. If you have any questions, I'll be waiting for them in the comments. Thanks for watching, have a nice day and God bless you.